Very cute. Cherry crispy bread. Ito yung kinakain ko ngayon. Ito yung nasa itsura. Pero hindi siya similar. Pero may avocado din. I'm sure it's good. So, if wala kayong ganitong bread, you can use any types of crackers. So good.